What a wonderful day. Blue skies, green forestry. Good day to make a video, alright? And in today's video, guys, we're going to be going over, let me give you guys 5 single tips for highway riding. This video is pretty much tailored for beginners, but you know, you may or may not know this stuff. But for people or riders who are intimidated on the highway, or they are getting on the highway for the first couple times, man, and they just want to know what to look out for, guys. So hear what I have to say, you know what I'm saying? Because all 5 of them, I believe, are very important. And then just keep them in the back of your head as you ride on the highway or start to get on the highway for the first time, all right? Let me find the highway and let's get into the video. Okay, point number 1 is be very attentive and aware for hazards and potential hazards. And I know that may sound pretty self-explanatory, but guys, you won't believe it. I mean, it's like common sense is not common, okay? So be very aware for potential hazards and hazards that's already there, that's already physically present, okay? Because when it comes to the highway, guys, there's a whole different set of hazards, okay? We're talking about high-speed vehicles, we're talking about roadkill, etc. It presents itself in different ways. And the thing with the highway is that you don't have a lot of time to react to it, okay? Because of the high speeds, the higher speeds, that's going to give you less time to react to these situations. So guys, be very attentive always. Be very attentive and aware of what's going on around you and would possibly can happen. You know what I'm saying? And that'll save you a lot. You feel me? Number 2, and I just want to start off by saying that, guys, we have a lot more to lose on 2 wheels than somebody in a 4-door vehicle, okay? They face a big risk too, but on 2 wheels, man, it can get real bad real quickly, okay? And so I say that to say, when it comes to number 2, is mind your distance, all right? Just like I said about reaction time and having time to react, keeping your distance between you and the other vehicle is going to increase that reaction time and give you time to think before you can act, just in case something happens and you need to make an evasive maneuver, okay? That's what keeping your distance is going to do for you. It'll allow you time to react to everything. And I don't just mean to the car that's in front of you. I'm talking about keeping your distance to car to the side of you as well. Like, as a motorcycle, you don't want to have one vehicle riding at the same speed right next to you, because it's a smaller vehicle, guys. They're not going to see you, all right? And y'all know people out here drive crazy, man. So you never know what they're going to do. So you also want to keep distance to the side of you. You want to be to where there's nobody in front of you as much as possible, okay? You want to keep a distance in front of you and to the side of you so you can see what's going on, have time to react, all right? That goes back to point 1 a little bit. Okay, guys, look at that skyline, though. Okay, the 3rd point, all right? Take care of your body, man. It may not seem like it, but riding a bike, especially if you got all that gear on, especially if you're going for long rides, it does require a level of energy or body exertion, whatever you want to call it, right? So guys, number 3, take care of your body. You know what I'm saying? This ain't, it may seem like it, but it's not. It drains you, okay? Make sure you're properly stretched if you need it, right? Make sure you're properly hydrated. That's a big one, man, because the sun, especially days like this in the sun, it will drain you. It will drain moisture from your body. So stay hydrated, stay stretched out, make sure your muscles is everything good, you feel me? And make sure you're well rested. The same applies as if you was in a vehicle, man. Make sure you're well rested, okay? The same stakes apply to us, man. Like I said, look at this. You see what I'm talking about? Like, you gotta be attentive, man. You gotta be attentive out here. So take care of your body is point number 3. Okay, point number 4 is going to be make sure they know you're there. Make sure they see you or hear you, all right? Man, I used to think it was so obnoxious of motorcycle riders to always be like revving their bikes, man. I thought it's just unnecessary and it was annoying. Now I get it, right? They say loud exhaust saves lives. I get it now, guys, because you want to make sure these cars, man, know that you're there essentially, all right? Whether that be a reflective vest, helmet, like, you know what I'm saying, like the bright color vest or helmet, whether that be riding in a lane position to in their mirrors essentially, so where they, you know that they see you, or guys, like I just said, you know, doing a lot of revving, you know what I'm saying, honking the horn a little bit, or doing a little bit of revving, or a lot of it, because guys, they will try some foolishness mess, because either they think they can get away with it, or they just don't see you. So I get it now. It's really important that you do at least one of the 3 things I mentioned, so you can minimize the risk of somebody just doing something, you know, stupid, man. And last but not least, Cinco, is ride your own ride, guys. If you've been riding motorcycles for a good, you know what I'm saying, a good little bit of time, you know, you probably have heard that term before, and essentially it applies on the highway as well, all right? Especially if you're in a group ride, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're unsatisfied or uncomfortable, right? This applies to whether you're in a group or solo. If you're uncomfortable with the route, the style, the pace, the speed, anything, then don't do it, okay? It's all about you at the end of the day. That's your life on the line, right? Just because you're on 2 wheels, or just because your buddy can drive fast and can do all that amazing stuff, that don't mean that you either can or either you should, all right? So stay within your own limits, all right? Ride your own ride, all right? Do what's gonna keep you safe at the end of the day, and what's gonna allow you to come back home at the end of the day, all right? Because it's you on that bike, not nobody else. And guys, those are some of the 5 most, you know, up there, right? Really important, really essential things that you need to know when you're first getting out on the highway for the first time. Obviously, I missed some, man. I missed a few. You guys, if you think some are as equally as important, if not more important, leave them in the comments below so everybody can see them. Leave the video a like if you guys enjoyed. I will see y'all soon. Have a good one.